Hi guys, my name is Edward. Just to show you the water bag, the 5-liter water bag that I'm going to pass to you guys later. Okay, so the packing here per bag is, as you can see, it's 5 pieces per bag, and each bag will have a, this is the cover, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right, which basically looks like this, the whole bag. Okay, and comes with a spout for all of them. Now, before filling up the bag with water, you have to take out the yellow cap, which can be easily done in this manner. Press down near the neck area and lift it up. Okay, this is how it looks like. And I'm going to fill up with water right now, and I'll come back to you soon. Okay, the bag is filled up with water already, and we're going to close back the inlet. How you do it is simple. Lift up the inlet, and on the sides press it down until you hear a click. Okay, that's it. Now to open it, lift it up a little so that when you open that time, the water won't spill out. Same thing, just like that. Okay, put it back. Now, for the spout to work, all you need to do is just twist the spout onto the yellow cap. You do not need to take out the yellow cap. Okay, this part here will puncture the cap over here. I'm going to demo to you. Just twist it in all the way. All the way until you get resistance. Okay, you notice the cap has been punctured by the nozzle. This is the residue of the cap. To operate the nozzle, you gotta twist all the way to the left as indicated over here, all the way to the left. Okay, this is open. And to close, twist it back all the way to your right. For all the 5 pieces that comes with a spout, all you need is just one spout. You can use for the 5 pieces of the bag. All you need to do is just interchange, because once it's pierced already, this cap will always have to have the nozzle screwed on, just like this one. Right? If you take it out, if you take out the nozzle, the water will come off. Just a short reminder, when you all handle the bag, please try not to hold it like that, so as to maintain the durability of the bag. Just carry it by the side, it will be good enough. Right? Try not to handle it or carry it using this nozzle. Thanks for watching. Have a nice weekend.